Are you wondering what to do if you can't properly set up and use your A9 mini wireless security camera, as it can't maybe connect to a Wi-Fi network, so it simply won't connect to the app? So what you have to realize, this camera actually runs in very ancient tech like frequencies. So for your Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi hotspot, you have to actually set your frequency to 2.4 GHz. If you use a more modern 5 GHz or 6 GHz frequencies on your router to try to connect this camera, it might actually even find the Wi-Fi network, but actually it won't connect, and also it won't be able to transfer data or do anything basically over that. So again, there's really no any possible way how to use this camera over, for example, 5 GHz or 6 GHz Wi-Fi frequencies essentially. So what you have to do is, if you want to connect in the Wi-Fi mode, again, you have to figure out on your router how to basically change the frequency to 2.4 GHz. There's no other way. So if you basically can't do that, we can actually connect this camera directly to the phone without a Wi-Fi network. So I'll show you that also. But for example, if you use a phone basically to do that, so to do that, if you use your phone as a hotspot basically to create the Wi-Fi network. So if you go in the connections, mobile hotspot and data, for example, and as you see, basically in the bands, simply you select the 2.4 GHz here. So, and then you should be able to connect it over the Wi-Fi mode. So I guess, again, if maybe your router, you can't figure out how to set, maybe you can simply use your phone as a hotspot to be able to connect basically this camera. So that way, maybe. So yeah, let me show you how to, for example, configure it. If you have the 2.4 GHz. So first let's download the application for it. So the app name should be listed somewhere in your manual, for example, or also you can scan the QR code, or also these are all the names of the apps. If you can't figure out which app you have, I guess simply try all of them, especially these first three. These are the most popular ones. Anyway, yeah. So let's open up the app here. You'll have to basically agree to some stuff and also sign in with Google or create account here. Okay, so let it sign in and okay. And let's leave the side for a moment and let's also turn on our camera. So simply press and hold the on off button for maybe 5 or 6 seconds. Sorry, 2 or 3. As you see, it starts to blink. That means it has entered the pairing mode and is ready to be paired. If it's not blinking or doing something else, not connecting, press and hold the mode button. It will reset the camera and place it in the pairing mode. So you see it turned off and reset and starts blinking rapidly. That means it's in the pairing mode. So in the app, we can simply click add device. Yep, allow these permissions here. Allow nearby device scanning, and you see it instantly found the camera here. And as you see, it even literally warns here that it doesn't support 5 GHz frequency. So we have basically choose our Wi-Fi network here. So simply click and select it here and enter the password of it. Okay. So it's simply like a low-end tech camera. And also this Wi-Fi mode isn't very reliable and also not very fast. And also laggy as well. So that's why I even suggest to use the local mode, which I will show you also how to do that. So name your device here. Okay, so if you click on the camera here, yep, so you see it should load shortly. Again, it's not very fast over this Wi-Fi. So you see, it's laggy, choppy, and this is completely normal for it. So again, not only it's going through the Wi-Fi, but also the Wi-Fi technology again is super ancient, very slow. So this is, for example, what you can expect to get. Also the video quality, again, also not really the best in my opinion. Okay, so what if you basically can't get your router to work in the 2.4 GHz frequency? Then again, we can actually connect directly this camera to our phone without a Wi-Fi network, so without a router essentially. So, and again, also it will be more reliable. So first, let's remove this camera here from the account, and then what you want to do is, so you place again it in pairing mode, press and hold the mode button for 6 or 7 seconds. see it shuts off, resets, and enters the pairing mode. Then you simply go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. And you see this camera creates its own Wi-Fi network that you can actually connect to. So again, yeah, so we can connect directly without like a router if you don't have one. So the first time you connect it, also will ask for the password. So the password is 12345678, or check your manual. So we have to wait a bit till it connects. It will say connected without internet access. So this is what you should see, and then we can simply go back to the app, refresh the app, switch to the local mode, and click cancel here. We do not want to connect to the Wi-Fi. And if we click here, I see way more responsive now and way better, also better quality as well. So for example, let's see. Let's switch to the full screen view. So you see also like super responsive now. I see also picture quality definitely better. In this mode we can also, for example, set the quality to Ultra HD as well. So even better quality here. Okay, and you see there isn't any lags, any problems. But obviously, yeah, you are limited by the range between the camera and your phone, maybe like 10 meters, so maybe even more, who knows really, I haven't tested actually. But yeah, so if you want the best performance, really I suggest to use it in this mode. Okay, good luck.